Hello, very good trader. Welcome to this new analysis. In this analysis, there are some very interesting opportunities that are about to occur in both gold, crude oil, and Bitcoin. So stay until the end of the video so you can see the possibilities and entries have prepared for this video. Well, we have been analyzing these three assets, and the truth is that all the movements have gone quite very good for us. And well, here we have we are going to start with the goal, and we have this movement of a strong impulse, which we hope will reach this area of the fair value gap. And here we also have a block order will reach this movement. Right now is making a retreat to this area, which was a resistance that we obtained here, which we took advantage, and then he took an impulsive movement with strong, but he didn't not have the movement to reach this area. So he's taking impulses to be able to reach. Now we see it has Helios waves. We can say that we have a first wave here, and here we have the second. We have finishing the third wave, and this point we are able to finish the fourth wave, in which I think I get to this point to finally be able to reach this area like wave number 5. Yeah, is finally we able to fall into this area to we have here a strong purchase. But for this movement there is no lower missing, and we can make operation within these movements, with which I here already have an operation ready to run at this point around 2070 60 27. I already have an operation to this point, and will this the possible movement that I can have what is gold. I'm going to remove this around so it doesn't get in our way, and well, this will be to the next move for gold, and well, let's go with the crude oil. Well, for crude oil, uh, our movements have also gone. We already have two pretty impulse. The first one was in this pulse. This here start making this video, but at this point already have reactions on here. We overcome this destiny. We enter to the limit of the upper die, and they break to this range. We support here. We make another entry, and we have the objective of the here. We'll spend this objective here now. I'll now enter. You have to have taken some partials, so you can be called in case the price returns to this area again and no longer having any worries. Now we do expect from the crude oil, it's a setback, something like what we have with oil. Here we can see some waves, and look in this way here we can have wave number 1, and we have number 2, and this wave number 3. This finally reach the wave 4, and safely this area again finally reach our goal that we had set for several weeks. Yes, well, let's remove this row that we longer need right now, and well, this will be a projection for gold, right? This entry is good because it's still bendy, because anyway, um, what the entries could still occur, that is, from here it could continue racing in not yet and the wave 3. I'm assuming that the wave 3 is ready. Here we go to wave 4, but entering wave 4 a little more complicated. So well, it's better to wait until this area to enter wave 5 along with the trend wall. So I will for this area already have here again. If come to this area again, then execute any purchase order to finally reach this goal. Okay, here well, and finally going with gold with Bitcoin, sorry. Well, Bitcoin is back, right? And this level of support, which already been reacted to this to strong occasion. Here we think good opportunity to trade, right? After this impulse move, we waiting for him this area, but he didn't know. We have a successful entry into this area, in which he had told in previous slide that he patience to go along to the true resistance zone, which are right satisfactory. And so we need three, one tree. let's wait and see what happens with Bitcoin if it manages overcome this zone. We said in the video this have passed in the was decision. If you manage to overcome it, support through and continue. Well, we are going to make new maxim. However, if the front sum is nothing else is taking liquidity and goes back again. Now it doesn't. Bitcoin will start to fall hard looking for this liquidity zone that we have down here. So this is the projection for Bitcoin for I can't tell you go short here because the movement still looks somewhat strong. There is volume and even volume entered in the last 4 hours candle, so we had to wait. Let's see how the rest here. I will better wait support and enable to here long positions and before and after we can find a sell. If we see that the price is strongly reaction and the leg C is making small pullback and we will enter to the pullback. But for now, is a projection for Bitcoin has and well, if you have a follow channel, you are ready. Just like those goal and today is world analysis for 3 assets. You want me to analyze other currencies on our indices, you can tell me in the comments and we will see the possibility. Your video has, I hope your video was useful for you and see you soon.